Hi, my name is Joe Robbins, and we are down in downtown Poenixville at the wonderful community of Steelpointe with Morgan Francis Realty. I want to show you inside 803 Furnace Court. It has got to be the best of the neighborhood. Come and check it out. We are now inside this wonderful chef's kitchen here at 803 Furnace Court. And when it comes to townhomes in any community, you want to be distinguished. And one thing that separates this from the rest is that the owners were smart enough to extend this entire building out 2 feet, which makes the bedrooms upstairs fit queen-size beds. It makes the pantry large enough for a big family, and it makes the master bedroom suite something to behold. Let's go take a look.